If you want to change your profile picture in Gmail, it's actually very easy. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once Gmail opens, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. When the menu opens, you'll see a camera icon on your profile photo. Tap on that. Now, you'll see a few different options. You can choose a Google illustration. Pick a photo from Google Photos, upload a picture from your gallery, or even take a new photo. If you choose an illustration, just select one, customize it if you want, and tap Save as Profile Picture. If you want to use your own photo, select Choose from Gallery or Google Photos, pick the image you want, adjust the position, and tap Done. Finally, tap Save as Profile Picture, and your Gmail profile photo will update automatically. That's it. Your new profile picture will now appear in Gmail and across your Google account. If this video helped, like it and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.